Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. If you're following an ultra-low-carb keto diet or zero-carb carnivore diet, then you probably, on occasion, experience an irresistible craving for traditional starchy white rice. Unfortunately, a cup of traditional steamed white rice contains a whopping 45 grams of total carbs. This pretty much makes it off limits to those of us on a keto or carnivore diet. But your cravings for white rice are about to come to an end. Because this video will walk you through a simple one-ingredient recipe for making an essentially zero-carb version of steamed white rice. All that, coming right up. Let's start with the single ingredient used to make this ultra-low-carb rice, namely, rice-shaped konjac noodles. This is also referred to as shirataki rice. I'll leave a link in the description to the specific brand of konjac I used in this recipe. A single serving contains 2 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fiber, which corresponds to 0 net carbs. If you're finding this video helpful and would like to see more similar content from this channel in the future, please take a few seconds to like and subscribe. Also, to avoid missing out on future releases, please remember to click the notifications bell. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating a cup of water in a medium saucepan over high heat. Next, transfer the konjac rice to a medium-sized strainer and rinse it thoroughly for 10 to 15 seconds with cool water. When the water comes to a boil, add the rinsed konjac rice to the pan and continue heating for 2 minutes. Use a spatula to break apart any clumps. This step eliminates the strong natural konjac plant aroma. Transfer the heated deodorized konjac rice to the strainer. Spread the rice in a thin layer on a microwave-safe plate. Microwave the rice for 1 minute to remove excess moisture. Remove the plate from the microwave oven. You should see steam rising from the plate. Use a spatula to flip the rice over in small sections. This will move the wet rice from the bottom to the top. Return the plate to the microwave oven and microwave for another minute. You should see more steam rising from the plate when you remove it from the oven. Transfer the konjac rice to a small bowl and top it with your favorite spices. I used roasted sesame seeds and cracked red peppercorn. Unlike traditional white rice, which has a starchy aroma and mushy texture, konjac rice tasted fairly bland, and had a more rubbery texture. So, there you have it. My second keto-friendly version of traditional white rice. If you missed my first low-carb recipe for white rice based on egg whites, you can find that video in the upper right corner. In a future video, I plan to feature another low-carb rice recipe based on hearts of palm, and I'll pick my favorite of the 3 different recipes, so stay tuned for that one.